Imagine you've just moved into a new place. You've unpacked your belongings, settled into your new surroundings, and now it's time to set up your phone system. But wait, what about the dreaded landline? Do you really need a bulky, outdated phone sitting on your desk? Or is there a more modern, convenient solution? That's the question we're tackling today. Does Ooma require a computer? Understanding Ooma. Ooma is a popular VoIP voice over internet protocol service that allows you to make and receive phone calls using your internet connection. It's a great alternative to traditional landline phones, offering features like unlimited calling, voicemail, call forwarding, and more. So, does Ooma require a computer to function? Well, not entirely. The Ooma base station. The centerpiece of the Ooma system is the Ooma base station. This small, compact device plugs directly into your internet router and provides the foundation for your home phone system. Think of the base station as the brain of the operation. It handles all the incoming and outgoing calls, manages your voicemail, and ensures a smooth calling experience. Ooma phones. Once you have the base station set up, you'll need to connect Ooma phones to it. These phones are specially designed to work with the Ooma system and offer a variety of features, including caller ID, hands-free calling, and even Bluetooth connectivity. Ooma offers a range of phone options, from basic corded models to more advanced cordless phones. So, whether you prefer a traditional landline look or a more modern cordless design, there's an Ooma phone to suit your needs. No computer required. So, to answer the question directly, no, Ooma does not require a computer to function. The Ooma base station and Ooma phones are all you need to enjoy a reliable and affordable home phone system. Additional benefits of Ooma. Beyond the convenience of not needing a computer, Ooma offers several other benefits. Cost-effective. Ooma plans are typically more affordable than traditional landline services, especially for those who make a lot of calls. Feature-rich. Ooma offers a wide range of features, including voicemail, call forwarding, caller ID, and more. Easy to set up. The Ooma base station is simple to install, and the phones are plug-and-play. Scalable. As your needs change, you can easily add more Ooma phones to your system. A note on internet connection. While Ooma doesn't require a computer, it's important to have a reliable internet connection. A slow or unstable internet connection can affect call quality, so make sure your internet service provider can deliver the speed and reliability you need. So, if you're tired of the hassle and expense of traditional landline phones, Ooma is a great alternative. With its easy setup, affordable plans, and wide range of features, it's a convenient and cost-effective solution for your home phone needs. And the best part? You don't need a computer to enjoy the benefits of Ooma. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.